Alden, it's your update. And IG story ni Alden. Yung morning ride ni Alden kasama si Christopher Martin. Nag-ride sila ng 35 kilometers sa loob ng 1 hour 44 minutes. At ito pa yung mga picture ni Alden. And after ng GMA Gala 2025, kung saan birthday ni Kuya Dingdong Dantes. And happy birthday. Ganyan ka-busy si Alden. Ang dalawang event yung pinuntahan ni Alden. Grabe yun. At saka ito pa. And during GMA Gala 2025, yan ang OOTD ni Alden. And ganyan pagwapo, Alden Richard yan. And sa post ni Will Joseph Magsino, and GMA Gala night, and grateful to be a part of another unforgettable night with the one and only Alden Richards. And thank you, boss, for your continuous trust. Shoot, edit by yours truly, And I am worldwide. And si Dr. Vicky Bello, si Alden. Ang Bello baby lang si Alden. Ang usap yung dalawa. Tapos dumating si Kyrie Alcantara. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.